Assalamu alaikum. Day 30. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua.
اللهم اجعلنا ممن صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا وتقبلته منا وغفرت لنا وأعتقتنا فيه من النار، وبلغنا رمضان القادم ونحن في أفضل حال، واختم لنا برضوانك واجعل آخر كلامنا لا إله إلا الله. آمين يا رب العالمين.
O Allah, make us among those who fasted Ramadan with faith and expecting your reward. Accept it from us. Forgive our shortcomings and free us from the fire. Allow us to witness the next Ramadan in the best of states. Seal our deeds with your pleasure and let our final words be, there is no God but Allah. Ameen, O Lord of the worlds. Repeat this dua today and share it with your loved ones. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the month of Ramadan along with Kul this year. Please stay tuned and subscribe to Kul today for more supplications and reminders from the Quran and the Sunnah. Keep us in your prayers always and have a joyful Eid.